Jirachi isn't found in the wild, raids, or eggs in Pokémon Go. Want the shiny version? It's even trickier. Only available through the paid, wish-granted research. Let's break down how to get it fast. Part 1. Shiny Jirachi 385 in Pokémon Go Masterwork Research. Shiny Jirachi in Pokémon Go comes only from the paid, wish-granted research. Complete tough tasks like catching 385 Pokémon and 10 Kecleon to earn it. Part 2. How to counter Pokémon Go Jirachi 385 raid. Necrozma Charizard Y, Primal Groudon, Mega Jengar, Mega Blaziken, Shadow Tyranitar, Reshiram or Chandelure also work. Dynamax, Gigantamax Grimmsnarl, Dynamax Darmanitan, Dynamax Jengar, Dynamax Excadrill. Part 3. How to get Jirachi 385 in Pokémon Go directly. Part 4. How to get Pokémon Go's Jirachi 385 by a Colosseum US bonus disc. Use a GameCube GBA link cable and ensure an empty slot in your Ruby or Sapphire party. Insert the bonus disc into the GameCube. Select Jirachi Special Gift and send Jirachi 385 to your GBA. Transfer takes 30 seconds. Part 5. How to get Jirachi in Pokémon Go flexibly by faking location effort saving. Virtual Location Tool is a professional GPS location changer that can flexibly teleport your device's location to anywhere in the world, allowing Pokémon Go players to access in-game events globally. Get shiny Jirachi in Pokémon Go without walking. Install and launch the Virtual Location Tool. Click Get Started and connect your phone via USB. Tap Trust if prompted. Select Teleport Mode. Enter a location or search a destination. Click Move to change GPS and play.